Nginombuzo. Lo mbuzo enginawo ngicabanga ukuthi khona umuntu wakwawubuza.
Wow, that's interesting.
Siyawusaba-ke lo mbuzo.
Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi ubalulekile lo mbuzo.
Yeah.
Ukhozi FM lukhulu ngoba luyi-radio station eshisayo best la eSouth Africa. Noma lukhulu ngoba abantu abaningi bakhuluma isiZulu.
You want to confess it?
No, I think we are accustomed to Eastern so-called. No? Two. Mhlambe khona omunye umbuzo engeke ngizo-answerish. Two, like I said earlier on, thina maZulu into yethu sihlezi si-support forever. Ukuthi we're the best, are we competing kanjani ke? Maybe we simply
Ukhozi was iyona radio station ekade yaziwa. Yabo sonke sikhule sazi ukuthi umsakazo ukhozi. Yabo and uzothatha isikhathi to undo that. Yabo yes you have Ogagasi, you have East Coast Radio now, but Ukhozi will still remain the only radio station abantu bakwaZulu Natal noma South Africa abayazi.
Okay.
We understand. And ngenhlanhla kaMaZulu maningi vele ulokhuzana eSouth Africa yonke, so you'll have a following to your cause each and every province. So in terms of whether
Based on the numbers,
Yes.
if they are the best, based on the numbers, because phela angithi sometimes sobuyela nje kuma summers makuthiwa le award yavotelwa best song of the year umuntu othole yona, it's because of amavote they know best. We can't dispute it based on the numbers. Kodwa masizokwenza a comparison with other radio stations, angeke siphike ukuthi they do have shows are weaker compared to another radio station. You understand? Also mode as a listener would decide ukuthi uye ngala. We understand? But the advantage asebewabalile abafuthi ngeke ngize ngibuyele kuwona of ukuthi they are broadcasting ngesiZulu and bane reach enkulu will always count in their favor.
So the general consensus on the table is that Ukhozi is the best.
based on the numbers
Based on
as
the
well.
numbers.